Here we have a 69 plate BMW 330i M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the M Sports package. We do also have the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the blue exterior paintwork, LED headlights. We do also have the gloss black front grills. We have the full M Performance kit, including the gloss black front splitter. Round to the passenger side now, you find we have the second alloy wheel just down here, once more unmarked. We do also have the M Sport suspension. We have the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae. We do also have the gloss black rear spoiler lip on the tailgate. Round to the rear you find we have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We do also have the dual legs exhaust with the rear diffuser. We have the 330i badging on the tailgate. If you press the button on the remote, then the boot will pop open just like so. Now inside of here you find we have plenty of space. It does go quite far back. You've got storage pockets on the left and also on the right hand side. But if you just close that back up then and then walk back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior. Having a look at the back first, you find we do have the full black leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO punch. We have the climate control down there for the rear passengers. You may have noticed the ambient lighting as well on the doors. We have the electric windows as well. Taking a look at the front, we've got the same full black leather interior. There's a look at them front seats, both of which are heated. We have the electric mirrors and electric windows which are locked for the rear. Automatic lights just down here and also the automatic wipers. We have the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking the seat inside you find the digital dash in front of us. If you put our foot on the brake, press the start button just down here, then the vehicle will start up. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side. And as you can see on the dashboard we are also free from any warning lights. We do have the main screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav navigation if you get a full screen like so. If any of the screens or lights are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We also have a range of media such as the radio stations. We do also have the Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have all these apps that are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. If you go back onto the main menu, go into car, go onto the settings, that's where you find the interior ambient lighting, and as you can see we have plenty of colours which we can choose from. We do also have the intelligent safety system just here, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And we do also have all the different drive modes, so the Eco Pro, we have Comfort and also Sport. The screen is touchscreen, so we do also have the Sport Plus drive mode just there as well. Put the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera with the front and rear parking sensors. Put it back into park and moving further down, we have the climate control, heated seats and the air-cooled air conditioning, all working as they should do. We also have some storage space inside of here, the cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and a USB port, automatic gearbox, we've got the different drive mode buttons, shortcuts for the screen, and we also have the electric handbrake as well. Leather armrest in the centre which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 330i M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm going to have to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. We do have the multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it would change gear. We do also have the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side, we've got the volume buttons on the right, digital dash just here in front of us which can show different displays that you would have seen on the photos and also on the walk around video. Now if you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle which is very comfortable. You could easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated which is perfect for them at cold winter mornings. We do have the main screen just here in the centre which is touchscreen. It's currently showing the sat-nav navigation but also has plenty of features on there. Again, you would have seen them on the photos and also on the walk around video. But for example, we do have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto, really nice features to have in this car. We also have plenty of other options and features such as the ambient lighting in this vehicle. We have the climate control with the R-Squad air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. And we do also have the automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now about to take a right hand turn, so we've put our right indicator on, start to slow down, and then perform the right hand turn onto the industrial park. And then if we make an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1, hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. We have the reversing camera appear on the screen, put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.